Today I'm at an upscale furniture store called Hugh and Hem. Let me show you what's inside. The first thing I noticed was the front desk, made from this gnarly natural wood. Next, I noticed all these elegant lights, pendants and chandeliers hanging from the ceiling, and all sorts of unique table lamps and floor lamps. We walked through several living room displays with cozy couches, chairs, and coffee tables, kitchen displays that looked like they were ready for a meal, and bedroom sets that were calling me to take a nap. Even the bathrooms were fancy. Most of the pieces here are handmade or small batch, like these chairs. They seem so special and unique, something you could only find at a custom boutique like this. One brand I learned about today is called Buster and Punch. They transform everyday hardware like light switches into fancy, solid metal designs. They even make necklaces in the same style, which I really like. Seeing all this design and creativity made me want to be brave, to be myself, and step outside my comfort zone to create something beautiful. Like this mantra, to be yourself in a world that's constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. So today, I hope you enjoy the beautiful details around you and celebrate being you.